Friends, I honestly always thought my files were completely safe. I made backups regularly, and it genuinely felt like my data was fully protected from every angle. But here's the harsh truth. Having a data backup doesn't guarantee you can actually recover your files. Drives can fail and access can disappear without warning, which is why backup failure leads to real data loss more often than we expect. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're taking a look at Wondershare Recoverit, a professional data recovery tool designed for complex scenarios. Powered by AI-assisted recovery, it helps restore lost files when standard backup solutions fall short. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's take a look inside. Folks, once you open Recoverit, the first thing you notice is how clean and simple the interface is. Nothing feels overloaded or confusing. On the left side, you can see the main categories, including all drives currently connected to your computer, as well as hard disk drives. This layout makes it very easy to understand where your data lives and which storage device you're working with. The program automatically scans the system and shows a full list of available storage devices that can be recovered. You don't need to manually search for disks or guess where your files might be stored. Everything appears clearly in one place. Mates, after granting access to the drives, you simply click Scan to begin the process. Recoverit also detects problematic sectors on drives before recovery, helping avoid risky attempts that could make data loss even worse. This is especially important when dealing with aging or unstable storage devices. The quick scan works very fast. It detects recently deleted files and shows exactly which folders they were located in. You can immediately see the original file structure, which makes navigation much easier. It even finds files that were deleted from the recycle bin and removed permanently. Friends, if you immediately spot the files you want to recover, you can simply select them and click Recover. There's no need to wait for the full scan to finish if the files you need are already visible. After that, you choose a destination folder and press Save. Of course, the program recommends saving recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting existing data. This helps protect other lost files that may still be recoverable. Once the process finishes, you can open the folder and see the recovered files.
Welcome to our innovative product demonstration. This revolutionary technology will change your business approach.
Guys, in my case, the full video file I had lost was restored completely and works without any issues. That file was genuinely important to me, so seeing it fully recovered was a huge relief. Here you can also see a large list of detected files, everything that was lost from the drive. Recoverit categorizes the results clearly, making it easier to review large amounts of data. All of these files can be recovered, but I strongly recommend restoring them to an external drive for safety. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, this kind of problem happens very often with external flash drives. You plug one into your computer, accidentally delete a file, and only later realize you actually needed it. This usually happens during routine work, not because of a major mistake. By that time, the recycle bin is empty, and it feels like there's no way back. That's usually the moment people panic. Mates, this is another situation where Wondershare Recoverit becomes extremely useful. You start a scan, and the system quickly finds deleted files. The recovery process feels just as straightforward here as it does with internal drives. Even while the scan is still in progress, you can already select and recover specific files. Again, recovery should always be done to a different drive than the original one. This rule applies no matter how small or simple the recovery task seems. After clicking Save, the recovery process begins, and the file is restored intact. You can open it, check it, and confirm that everything works properly. Friends, at the same time, the scan completes and shows all additional files that can be recovered from the flash drive: photos, videos, audio files, documents, emails, and other data. The results give you a clear picture of how much information can still be saved. Everything is clearly listed and organized directly inside Wondershare Recoverit. Recoverit is not meant to replace data backup. It exists for the moment when backup fails, and data recovery becomes the only option. It's a safety net for situations when prevention is no longer enough. Alright folks, let's wrap this up with a few final thoughts. In this video we looked at what data loss really looks like in real life, when data backup exists, but recovery suddenly becomes impossible. We walked through common failure scenarios and saw how Wondershare Recoverit helps restore files step by step, even when standard backup solutions fall short. The key takeaway here is simple. Backup is important, but it's not the same as recovery. Recovery doesn't replace data backup. It's there for the moment when backup fails, and data recovery becomes the only option. So what do you think, guys? Have you ever lost important files or had a backup that didn't save you when it mattered most? If you're excited to try it out or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.